Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. I'm back in El Dorado Hills, and I know you can see the reflection behind me. You can see it's just gorgeous, and I'm going to turn this around because I do want you to see how pretty it is today. We had a lot of gray weather, but now it's really nice. I have a little update on our olive mill renovation project. So first of all, I want to thank our mysterious benefactor who is waiting in the wings. Again, he's matching every donation we get. So this is really exciting. And you guys have really pumped up the donations. I see several people donating more than once, sometimes twice and 3 times. Thank you for that. It's really wonderful to see. So I wanted to give you the final amount we're at today. $8,093. We are more than halfway there. So you guys, thank you again. Now a couple of people I wanted to thank. Pat and Allie, thank you again for all your donations and your wonderful support. Gigi, now I don't know if you guys know my cute dog Gigi, but this Gigi is responsible for our Gigi's name. So thank you Gigi, we appreciate it. James, thank you James. And Judy, thank you Judy. Rosemary, awesome, thank you Rosemary. And then we have Roberto, and then we also have another Judy who left me a beautiful message. Thank you so much Judy. I got the message. For some reason I'm not able to respond through the GoFundMe, so I'm responding here, but I did get it and I really appreciate it. So we're rolling on this project. We're going to be done probably way before New Year's Day, and then we can get started on the renovations. So also check out my video that I'm putting up today. It's going to be some tips on real estate red flags in Italy. You need to see that. And then also we're rolling out some I'll just tell you right now. I'm working with somebody to roll out some really exciting cooking packages that you'll be able to get and come and learn Calabrese cooking. So it's way exciting. Now stay tuned. I want to turn this thing around and show you what it looks like here. It's a gorgeous day today. It was all gray and nasty, and now the sun is out and the sky is intensely blue. And it's chilly, I'll be honest, it's chilly, but gosh, look at it, it's so pretty. Anyway, this is my little living Christmas card for you guys. Happy Christmas, and I'll see you soon.